everybody. Today I'm going to be making a video on this new foam soap that I got from 80Eighty. Bought this shirt from them as well because who doesn't want a chance to win an Evo? So I'd been looking for foam soap anyways for my foam cannon. So while I was purchasing this shirt from them, I figured why not get that and try it out. So I'm going to make a little review on that today. Okay, so I'm in here to grab the power washer real quick, which is of course hiding behind everything. But wanted you guys' input. If you would like to see, or if you would think anybody across YouTube would enjoy seeing a new motor and trans put into this 67 Pontiac GTO here. Okay, so here I have this foam soap that I got from 80Eighty's website, and reading through it, it says for best results with a foam gun, it was saying 1 to 2 ounces originally, and for best results add another 1 to 2 ounces. So I'm going to try to add in some clips of when I was washing the truck with just this Armor All wash and wax, and we'll see how they compare, and we will see how the results compare, I guess. So yeah. So overall, I'd say it turned out pretty well. I liked how it sudsed up. Overall, yeah, I'd say it was a good product so far. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment on anything you'd like to see or anything you think about this. As well as please subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Share any of my videos with your friends. Have a good day.